Hello, this is the demonstration for my final year project. It has been done in Android and computer version. This is the main screen of the project. I'm adding a new team. So to add a new team, I click on a new team and enter the name of the team. For example, Leicester Tigers. Press OK. Then I can go to manage team and the teams are here. So the Leicester Tigers, which I've just added, is here. Can press OK. I can add players, update players, players basic information, batting and bowling information can be also accessed. So to add a player, I click on add player and press OK, and I can fill the details. For example, I can put my own details down: Ashish, Javla, date of birth, email address, and a phone number. And then I can press OK. Now you can access the player basic information from clicking the player basic information. So as you can see, my name appears on the screen, and I can click OK. I can also so I've added two teams, team electrical and team mechanical. So I'll show you what it looks like. So there's 12 players in both of the teams, and you can access the date of birth, email, and their contact numbers by clicking show player details. There's also an option to update a player detail, and I can go and update player details and click OK. So for example, if I want to change Orvin to Tony, I can just go to his name and press Tony and click OK, and I can now go on player basic information. Now Orvin should be Tony as it is here, and press OK again. So player batting information can be accessed by clicking batting information. So this is players batting information showing runs scored, balls faced, fours, sixes, matches, and team averages. And then you can click OK. There's also players bowling averages. So you've got their names, overs, runs given, maidens, extras, wickets, and the matches played, and their overall economy rate. To score a match, I can either select 20 over game, 50 over game, or I can input my own number of overs. For example, let's put 2 and click on start. Here then I can select the two teams that are to play the game. For example, I'm selecting team mechanical and team electrical, as they both have only 11 more than 11 players, and I can select OK. Now I have to select the 11 players from both teams. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Press OK, and then the same goes for the other team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Press OK. Now this is an option for the team that is batting first. For example, let's say team mechanicals batting first. Press OK. So here, this is like a score card of the match. So I can select the batting card. So this is a batting card of team 1 for the mechanical team, as there's nothing been bowled yet, so there's no averages right now. And then press OK. This is the bowling card of team 1, so mechanical team, so nothing been bowled, so it's empty. And these are the squads for the teams. So squad for mechanical team, squad for electrical team, and the same batting and bowling for electrical team. So this I can go and bowl a next over. So now I'm selecting the 2 opening batsmen for team mechanical. For example, Ricky, and then I can choose Glenn. press OK. Now I'm selecting an opening bowler for Team Electrical. So for example, I can choose Aaron. Now this is a version of a scoreboard. So here you can see the first innings, Team Mechanical overs. These are the two batsmen. So these are the two batsmen. You've got Ricky and Glenn, and these are the extras, and this is the bowler, and here how he can how if something's gone out, and this is to select next ball. For example, let's say first ball is a dot ball. I can press next. So you got 1 ball, 0 runs, economy rate is 0, run rate is 0. For example, let's say Ricky hits a 4 now. I can go on to Ricky, enter 4 and press next. Yeah. For example, 2 runs, 2 balls, 4 runs. Run rate is 12. Now let's say Ricky makes 1 run. I can go to next. So the team score is now 5. Then I can go to Glenn and enter. Let's say he makes 2 runs. Then I can go to next, and so on. Let's say a wicket goes out, catch, and go to next. So now the batsman's gone out. I have to select a new batsman. For example, Virat can come in now. Press OK. So now 1 over is complete. I have to select another over now. This is the final over. So for example, I can select Emul in this one and press OK. Now here it also shows 7 for 1. For example, let's say Ricky hits a 6 and gets out the next ball. So he's hit a 6, so now 13. And let's say he's got for example LBW. Now I have to select another batsman from the team. For example, I can choose Brian and press OK. So now as you can see, Brian is in the team. For example, let's say Brian hits he's got a dot ball, first ball. Let's say Brian hits a 4 and then hits a 6 to finish the innings. So here now I can see the batting card for team 1 for electrical team. So they made 23 for the loss of 2 wickets. So I can see the strike rate, runs, balls, and the name of the batsman. I can do the same for the bowling card of team 2 as they were the bowling team. So as you can see, Aaron bowled 1 over, conceded 7 runs with 1 wicket. Anmol bowled 1 over, conceded 16 runs with 1 wicket, and the total is 23 for the loss of 2 wickets. So then I can press next over. Now this is the other way around. Now Team Electrical is batting. For example, Tom is the opening batsman alongside Kevin. Press OK. Then I can select the bowler from team 1. For example, let's say Imran is selected. Press OK. Same procedure applies. For example, let's just quickly finish the game. 4 runs first ball, 6 runs second ball. Say Tom makes 3 runs next ball. So the strike is now changed to Kevin. Kevin's made, let's say, 4 runs and then hit a 6. And then let's say he's made 1 run. So it should be finished now. So it says Team Electrical won by 10 wickets. So this is this can be closed now. Yes. So played game, I can retrieve the latest matches here. So this is the latest match, Team Mechanical v Team Electrical. Press OK. So it says Team Electrical win by 10 wickets. So I can select the batting card, they made 23. I can select the batting card of the other team, they made 24. And also select the bowling card and the squads. So in order to access the matches, I can just go to played game and access the matches. For example, if I was to send a newsletter, I can select which match I want to send to the players. For example, let's say just the match we've just played, press OK. Then what team I want to send it to, for example, send it to Team Electrical, press OK. Then fill in my Gmail details and the password. And click OK. Now it should display a message saying the newsletter has been sent to all players. There we go, newsletter sent to all, and I can press OK. Help is an option, so if someone's struggling with any aspects, they can click refer to help. So this just says please find the following aspects explained in greater detail in the user manual. So these are the aspects I've talked about in my user manual, and the user manual can be downloaded from here. If I click this, it opens an external link. And I can download the user manual from here by clicking user manual. Press save file. So this is the user manual. And this is the file explaining how to running the application, scoring a cricket match, how to add a team, and so on. So that can all be checked upon here if someone was struggling, for example. So there you have it, that's my program, finally a project. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I hope you like my project. Thank you.